I'm glad this shit's fucking almost over. That's good, guys. We're tired. You tired?
No, in 2 days. It's been a great 2
2
days.
days. The team has worked their faces off for a lot. I mean, this is an all-year thing. We
Yep.
started talking about
We set
we
the
start
date in January.
that's right, we did, and when it was supposed to be November, like when version 1 was almost Thanksgiving, and we've had to walk it back 2 weeks at a time to get into October.
Yeah. Just give ourselves enough time to get it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Out of the holidays.
And this is the right time of year, and it was incredible. If I have one, and no one really cares about our takeaways, but if I had one takeaway, I always have thought virtual is kind of bullshit because you can't really see each other and form connections. But like,
Whoop, there goes Alex.
mic drop. But what I saw on the last session, sorry, the one with Bacardi leading it, was Rowan and Ashley, 2 speakers, had connected before the session to ask about a question unrelated to the session about call center or whatever, getting approval from the providers or disregarding their influence. I don't know. So that was cool to see. And I saw in the chat people becoming friends when they were commenting on the same stuff. So it was cool. Like the virtual thing is working.
The community we wanted to build it's building. It's growing.
I didn't tell you this. So I was talking to one of our partner vendors. They do call center optimization and mystery shopping and all that stuff. And I was talking to her last night at 5 o'clock on behalf of a client. We love this client. And she said, dude, I talked to 2 other healthcare marketers today and they were all mentioning scaling up. So the thing has gotten beyond our own propaganda.
That's good.
I thought that was cool.
That's cool.
I thought that was cool. I hope the flock is proud. They put this on, all of the case studies and clients and the cool data and the shit.
Yeah, the whole
Just 'cause
company
they do.
participates. You see all of our experts. Everyone's taking time out of client meetings. Thank you to our clients for giving us the 2 days to focus on this.
Did they though?
Well,
Because
we give them a choice, but we hope you got value out of this.
and tomorrow's fucking stacked and Bacardi just got off a client. I don't know if they gave it to us. We got to make up for it. But all of the cool stuff, like this conference is partly kind of really useful, or I think it's useful because we're presenting a lot of advanced stuff. This stuff is advanced because the flock is constantly innovating and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. And we've made lots of friends that are doing really amazing stuff. And clients have come on here and been generous enough for us to tell the secret sauce. There's no secret sauce. By the way, there's no secret sauce. None of you have secret sauce.
I think it's just how you do it, the way you integrate in your organization. You heard all the stories. This year we did more single speaker, single organization panels where we really got to go deep. And then we got to mix that with the panels where you got to get a lot of perspectives on a single topic. So I think it's been cool to also evolve what people care about, what kind of sessions they want to attend, how we get the information out there.
Yeah. And 2 years ago, the whole thing was HIPAA compliant. And how do you run compliance? And how do you run compliant advertising? And this year, a lot on AI.
A lot on AI. I think I heard a lot of trends around investing in data infrastructure. I think a lot of people had a hard time, especially when compliance was the thing, to get the money and the people hired to do those things. It was like, no, compliance was, all that was in the budget. So I hear a lot of orgs with, internal data teams, data ops, IT integration.
Yeah.
Really cool to see.
It's changed. Every marketer got their legal degree, and now we're getting our IT and data degrees.
Yeah.
It's never ending. This was a freaking blast, man. I hope you guys had fun. Look, we got 56, 57, we got almost 60 people in this final thing. Usually no one comes to this.
Day 2, everyone's tired. Us, you guys.
Ashley sent me the stats and of all the top sessions, and we had hundreds of people in these sessions today. Usually you see a huge drop off on day 2. We saw some, but really incredible.
Over 50% of people who register for an event like this
Yep.
come and attend it live, which is really cool.
Yep.
And we know a lot of people register and can't make it, and they tap into the content on demand later. But it's cool to see so many people, at least in part of their day, actually log in and be here live with us.
Yeah. Jinu Thomas said we need to do a live one. I had several LinkedIn messages and chats and text messages throughout the last 2 days that there needs to be a live thing. I'm here to tell you now that next year we are taking the show on the road. Scaling Up is going to remain virtual. The main center, like, what do you call this? Our fucking
hub?
It's not the hub. It's the flagship. Our flagship event.
Okay.
To use a car term. We'll stay scaling up, and it's going to stay free, and it's going to stay in October because thousands of people could come and learn all this cool shit. However, Cardinal is going to be going on the road next year. Lots of road shows in different cities, in Dallas, Chicago, LA, Boston,
meetups, community
New York.
building.
We're going to do that. We're going to bring clients and community together, and we're going to do cool stuff. Always open to everybody. And Yeah, hopefully the sponsors will pay for it.
Yeah. Well, here, do you want to, oh, I don't have a slide up.
One final
gonna thank
shout
our
out to the sponsors, dude. Line, Illumin, Patient Prism, Ours Privacy, Fresh Paint, ZocDoc,
Viant.
fucking killed it. Everybody has contributed to this industry. It's pretty cool. Like, these aren't joker partner vendors. These people have enabled us. When we first met someone like Line a couple of years ago, it was like, whoa, this is going to change advertising because we can pass actual booked appointments back into the ad platforms, and Patient Prism and Invoca have all powered that as well. It's huge. Rich just led a session all on third party targeting, dude. And that's cool because it was for a mammography client, the largest one in the country, but it was for a mammography client. And that is cool shit. Rich and our media team reaching, I don't want to call them patients, reaching women. And it's not even the time of need yet, but getting those screens is actually saving life.
Yeah.
And it's not just PPC where someone's already searching for a mammogram. It's a woman that isn't yet.
Yeah, reaching out to women with lapsed care. You can see in their claims that they haven't had a screening and they should have had a screening, or you don't know that the age dropped from 40 to 35. And so you're messaging to these people, do you know that you should be getting screens?
Might
really
be saving
cool.
lives. Might be
Yeah.
saving lives. Medical marketing is marketing that matters, and a lot of that's powered by a lot of these partner vendors up here. I hope you guys had fun. I'm tired. It's time to drink. I want to
We've
get
got
home.
a local Georgia beverage.
This is a Tropicali if you get one. If you don't, petition your distributor, get Trops in your local area. I used to be a bartender 5 years. We won't get into all the sketchy shit I used to do. I'm going to get home 1 minute after my kid's bedtime tonight, so I don't
That's
have
your
to do that.
ideal.
I'm going to call my wife. Hey, when Gina, when are the babies going to
You're
be
just
done?
circling the neighborhood.
Yes.
I've been in the car forever.
Oh, that's weird. We heard your engine out there for 30 minutes. Thank you to the flock, partners, vendors, clients, healthcare marketing community. Almost 2,000 people signed up for this shit.
It's amazing. You didn't think that many people cared about it.
I was hoping one day they would.
They
2 years
do.
ago, we had 300 people. Then last year, 500. And I was like, maybe there's something wrong with us. I don't know. This year, I know there's nothing wrong with us. There's, something wrong with the people that didn't attend.
Yeah.
This was a blast. Flock, good job. Thanks for clearing your calendars. Thanks for chiming in. We tired. It's time to party. Clap your hands for everybody. Adios.
Cheers, guys. See you next year.